Hi, Dicey here and welcome to the show. Today we are going to talk a little bit about the hobby and why you should watch this channel. Why should you? Today we are going to talk about fun ways we can interact with each other. Okay, so on Twitch, Discord, Patreon, YouTube, the plan is to just give and receive and try to make it a fun thing for everybody to do. So if you are on the channel and want to buy DiceyGuy painted miniatures, you have the opportunity to do so. I am setting up a shop in Patreon, and you can browse through that and see what you like and give me a sign that, hey, I want to buy that, and we can figure it out from there. So why I'm doing this? Well, I am a family man. I have 3 kids and they are 4, 6 and 10 years old. I have a girlfriend. Yeah, we are both in our 30s and 40s. I am 41 years old. And well, do not have sustainable income to actually do the things I want to do. So that's why I'm setting up shop, so I can get income and produce more videos for you guys. So on my end, I am reaching out to companies. So if you are a company that wants your miniatures reviewed or showcase your rulebook or something like this, I am the channel for you. I really want to show what's awesome about your products. So this year I want a big ups for Corus Seal Miniatures, Westphalia Miniatures. They have sent me miniatures or rulebook. So you see here, Corus Infinity N4. I'm still reading it. And it's one of the most beautiful rulebooks I have seen. And also have the Gargoyle and a lot of other cool dungeon crawlers. Seal Miniatures are making them. And Westphalia is making also a lot of the cool halflings and stuff like this. But also, I think this is probably the coolest owl bear out there. It's very cool. It comes with the eggs also, so that's very cool. Who guessed that the owl bear actually had eggs laying? So yeah, that is an opportunity to you to have a little DiceyGuy history memorabilia with you. So yeah, this channel is moving forward, and I'm planning to do a YouTube episode every Friday. So every Friday on YouTube, it's going to be an episode that is more polished and something more focused on one thing about the hobby, one thing or the other. So, or on Twitch every day, when I'm really trying to do an episode every day, and I try to at least have 1 hour run there. It is about 9 o'clock p.m. Central European time, but it's up for debate if I actually are on time. You know, sometimes I'm a little bit before, sometimes a little bit after. It all actually depends on if I can get my kids to bed or not. So that's as easy as it is. I also have some days I have a really bad migraine, so it's very hard to have lights on me and stuff like that. That's just calling it today and just go to bed. So if you want to be updated on when I am live on Twitch, I am sending a link on Twitter and a link on Discord. So if you are on Discord, this is the cool thing about Discord. I am all over. I'm like multi-platform. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Discord, Twitter, Instagram, you know, a lot of places. And I try to be engaging and being there on every platform. And it is actually quite hard to be like everywhere at once. But anyways, digressing. On Discord, I have an open microphone link that you can use, and you can talk to me, and we can do live talks and stuff like that on Twitter. I have song requests on Twitter, so you as an audience that are watching me doing the hobby, when I paint gargoyles or, you know, miniatures at one way or the other, you can song request your own songs on it, and it's a very fun place to just hang out and just have a hobby hangout with each other. It's very cool, and I have a chat there, and people are engaging and talking, and that's very fun, and I try to be on top of everything. But I have to say, sitting there concentrating on dotting in the I's while trying to be funny. But yeah, I'm trying to be entertaining. So I try to crack a jokes, and sometimes it falls flat. Probably all the time. I don't know. But yeah, it's there for, and I'm trying to be thinking about you as a watcher as well. So I try to, whenever possible, to talk back to you if you are chatting, but it's easier for me to have the sound. So if you are talking to me with the microphone, it's easier. So yeah, that's how we do it right now, and hopefully it's a sustainable way of doing Twitch. There are some rules there about not playing songs and stuff like that, but I think it is okay as long as you do it live. So that's what I'm doing there. And yeah, so, oh, by the way, if you are a technical wizard and know a way to remove just the music from the chats, I have an opportunity to maybe make a little Twitch episode breakdown, but just the funniest cracks and hobby tips that I can use in videos to YouTube. And maybe you can do a little Twitch YouTube crossover thing as well. Who knows? All right, so what I am right now collecting money for is to have the opportunity to use 2 cameras at once when I'm streaming live. So I'm saving up. I'm 1/3 the way to the goal. It's costing me about $150 for the thing I need to be like connecting my software and my recording equipment, because the thing I had broke. Yeah, I know, and it's totally my own fault, but it's broken, so I need to buy a new thing, and it costs money. And I don't have money, so that's why I am pushing a little bit about it. And then I want to buy myself a better chair so I can sit in, because the chair I have is okay, but I want like a very good office chair so I could sit for longer without getting tired, because it is you have to have good equipment for the kind of streaming I'm thinking about, because I want to broaden it out and maybe have like a 3 to 4 hours run with just sitting and painting and talking to people. But I need a better chair for that, because the chair I'm having now and streaming for 3 to 4 hours, I am so tired the next day, my necks and I get headaches, and I just have to cancel the stream for that day. So I right now I'm trying to be very, very hard with myself and just be 1 hour on the show. But I have to say, it's very hard when you have good friends talking to you via the microphone and stuff on Discord. So it's you don't want to say goodbye to people. Let's say it like that, because you have a good flow with the conversation and easygoing and just talking for you and what you believe and stuff like that. It's okay. All right. Anyways, thank you all for watching this episode on the DiceyGuy show. This Friday was a little bit different, but next Friday I think I would show you something extra. So maybe you're going to go. No, I'm going to keep it a secret, but you have to watch next Friday for that show, okay? So remember to please consider share this with everybody you think would like to watch DiceyGuy. Please do like and subscribe and all that thing. Patreon is there and Teespring is there. So anyways, thank you all. Go do some hobby now, okay? Bye.